Electronics and Information Technology Minister Ashwini Vaishnav has highlighted that electronics has emerged as India's third largest export category, climbing from 7th place. In a social media post, the minister said India is the second largest mobile manufacturing country in the world. He said that India's growth story in electronic manufacturing is driven by Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of developing a comprehensive ecosystem. Mr. Vaishnav said that the PLI scheme for large-scale electronic manufacturing attracted investment of over 13,475 crore rupees and achieved production worth 9.8 lakh crore rupees. He noted that the scheme has significantly boosted manufacturing, jobs and exports in the electronic sector by creating over 1.3 lakh jobs in the last 5 years. The minister said the government is now focusing on building capacity for modules, components, sub-modules, raw materials and manufacturing machineries. The minister said electronic manufacturing has created 25 lakh jobs in the last decade, calling it real economic growth at the grassroots level. He said that as semiconductors and component manufacturing scales up, job creation will accelerate further. Highlighting the impact of the Make in India initiative, the minister said production is growing across finished products and component exports are rising. Global players are confident Indian companies are becoming increasingly competitive and employment opportunities are also expanding. Your report, News Now.